I love glitter.
Somebody say,
Hello, icicles.
Today, I have my 6-year-old sister that you guys all know, Phoenix.
Hello.
There's a section on Snapchat called Oddly Satisfying where people put their videos, they chop up soap, they shed soap, they play with slime, they put the sounds in there that are satisfying. So I saw recently the ones that they're doing with the glitter bombs, and I was like, that would be so cool to actually try. And Phoenix here,
Been joking about it all day.
I feel like she would really enjoy seeing how cool it is because she doesn't have Snapchat. So we have
A bowl. An ice cream scoop. Or knife.
this is floral foam. I got them in circles because I saw that a lot of people got theirs in squares and then they cut them into circles. So I was like, it might make more sense to buy the circle.
Some water.
And
Lots of glitter.
there's this pack here from Michaels, the Recollections. And you guys see it has
A lot of colors.
12 different colors. I bought this one from Target. I saw the bright color and I was like, I need to get it. And then we had like just these little jars and stuff that Phoenix had in her collection of stuff that she uses when she does her homework. And then these, I bought these little ones from Dollar Tree because I didn't want to waste glitter. Like, it's so pretty when it's done, but like when you think about you spend $20 on glitter and then you just can never use it again because it's like soaked in water or whatever, it kind of is like, that's wasteful. And that's basically all you need. So first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna open up the floral foam. Can I open it?
Open.
All right, let's do this one first. All right, we're gonna do 2.
It feels so weird.
It does feel weird. It's very sandy. Okay, so we have our 2 floor foam, and I saw a guy, and he used the ice cream scoop to scoop out the center. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Ew.
It sounds
The
very
sound is so
weird.
cringy, y'all. You know when you touch paper and like it makes your teeth like feel weird, like
Oh, that happens to
that's
me too.
what just happened. It's a lot easier than it looks though, I'll tell you that.
Ew.
This is awful, Phoenix.
Please abide. Oh my god.
Alright.
Sounds like a rubber ducky just died.
You ever heard a rubber ducky die before?
If it died, it would sound like that.
I carved out a hole. This is how much we cut out.
Did mine.
I did mine over here for you guys, and I did Phoenix's on camera for you guys up close so that you could see how you do it. All right, so
There's the bowl.
we're gonna put the bowl.
In the middle.
Yes. And first thing you do is you wet the foam. So we're gonna wet it. Wow, it got so heavy.
I want to feel it.
Okay, we're gonna do yours now. So mine is like soaking fully through.
Why does it have to soak?
You have to be very careful with it. Come on, go ahead and wet it. You have to soak it because the material that it is, when you wet it, it gets very fragile, so it's easy to squeeze. Okay, don't only pour it in one place. Pour it around the side. Oh, Phoenix!
Sorry.
Can you tell me where to pour it?
Ho, ho, ho.
So now, it's like a dark green now.
You got olive green?
I don't know if you guys can see the difference between the color, but it's heavier as well. Like before, it was like light like a feather. Now it has like some weight to it. Like it could be like a pound.
Now I feel like I'm not even able to lift it up.
Now we're gonna start with the glitter.
My favorite part. I want the pink one.
Pop off the top, girl.
I know. Okay, it's just not working. It really wasn't working. Don't do it.
Oh! It's okay. Just leave it.
Mine just popped. I knew it was gonna do that. I should have put it inside. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to use all of it.
It's okay, baby. Just pick up another one.
Don't do it. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, Phoenix. You need all the glitter you can get. Aim for inside.
I'm trying to do that, but it's not working. If it doesn't work, at least you tried.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
I'm gonna go.
She's
All right, you gotta be
going
completely
first.
quiet. Ready? So I cut off some for her little hand so she'll be able to squeeze it. And I added a little bit more water to it as well. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. No, don't pour it out, baby. Hold it like that and
Oh.
squeeze it. We failed, boo.
It feels like we did it.
We did it, but we didn't.
My hands aren't leaving this. I'm never washing my hands with all this glitter. Feels like my hands are in a glitter pool.
Let's see if we put like these pieces from the side in and see what happens. Pick up some. All right,
Ready?
crush. I don't know why this is so fun.
I love it. Let's bathe in it. Take a bath in it. Let's take a bath in it. We really should. Hurry.
Okay, y'all, so our project was partially
The greatest.
our project was partially successful and then it was partially not. So y'all saw like how it kind of popped a little bit. It broke instead of like kind of melting with the water. It was supposed to be more melty, but I guess we didn't put it in enough water. Like it didn't soak up enough before we did it. I just got an idea. So we're gonna try again, but instead of like wasting this glitter and then using all brand new glitter, I think we're gonna try to make the new ones using this glitter water.
My hands are having spa.
ready?
Same time?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Gotta crush this.
Ah, nice and easy.
I don't think it got better this time.
I think it got greater.
Ooh, I'm gonna have glitter everywhere for days. But anyways, yes, y'all tell me which one y'all thought was better. Did you think the first one or our experimental one was better? I think our experimental one kind of looked nasty more than like oddly satisfying. But y'all tell me what you think. She cannot get her hands off this glitter. That was it for today. Although this was fun, it was seriously messy. So if you're gonna do this at home, like please make sure that you like lay something down, like a tablecloth, like a disposable tablecloth or something, because there's like water, fluorofoam, glitter everywhere.
I'm painting my nails.
Everywhere. Thank you guys for watching.
Goodbye.
Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next video. Later. Okay, we're done.
I'm not getting your hands out of this. I'm really not. Mommy, wanna try it?
All right, girl, that's it.
Ooh. Wait, one last. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now
No.
I'm not going to take a shower. Like a. Eat it. It's a cracker. I made a cracker and she doesn't want to eat it. Okay, I guess since it's already good already, I guess it's time to smash it. Do you think I did that on purpose?
Yes.
Oh, I love this! I want to bathe in it! I'm never washing my hands. And I will always be a glitter girl. You can't change me, change me.
Ain't nobody trying to change you. We're just trying to clean up.
I love